Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to enable automatic login to the user in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 in GUI mode. So first I am going to show applications settings. So settings details users. So you can see the automatic login is disabled here. So click the unlock button, provide the root password. Now just toggle that button, automatic login button, just toggle that button. Now automatic login is enabled. Now you restart the mission. Yes, I can able to log into the mission without asking any password. Without password prompt, I can able to log into this mission as a current user. So make use of this feature in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.